Google Ads offers flexible and powerful automated rules that can trigger actions, like pausing campaigns or sending an email alert when certain conditions are met. To get to the automation section, go up here to Bulk Actions and then Rules. First type of rule we're going to look at is Anomaly Alerts. So, if I click plus, and we're going to send an alert based on the campaigns. Going to select Send Email, and it's going to run on all enabled campaigns. So, now we just need to set a condition. If we look at conversions, and then cost per conversion, if we have a cost per conversion of more than $150 in a campaign, we want to know about it. You can set this to run just once, or daily, or weekly, or just monthly. We need to set the look back, so this is using data from the previous day, and that's fine for us. But we can also set it to be last 7 days, rolling, previous week, same week, or even previous 30 days. We're going to name this rule CPA more than $150. Then if we hit preview, it's going to tell us if this rule has been triggered by any existing campaigns. Right now, no campaigns hit $150 cost per conversion. But as soon as one does, we'll get an email alert, and then we can deal with the problem. The other type of rule that's important to set is one what I call a stop-loss rule. So, if we go up here to type of rule, going to say pause campaigns. Then we're going to click in here and say if the performance is more than $250 cost per conversion. Then we have a real issue. We might want to just pause the campaign before we can see it. So, if we hit apply, and then, once again, choose daily, then we can also set an email alert here as well. So, every time this runs we're going to get an email, as well as it automatically pausing the campaign for us. You can also combine conditions. So, for example, if we want to say cost per conversion is more than $250, and also total cost is more than $300, then we won't have this triggered on campaigns that are just getting started. Final type of rule we're going to look at is rules we can actually change keyword bids. So, we're going to hit cancel here. Hit plus, we're going to say, in this case, keyword rules. Now, if we select an option, we can say change keyword bids here. It's going to run on all enabled keywords, and the action can be to set a new bid, to increase bids, or decrease bids, or even raise them to the first page or top of page. Going to say increase bids by a percentage, going to say 20%. We also want to set an upper bid limit, so let's say $5 is the most we're ever willing to pay. This is important, just so the rule doesn't run away with itself. Now, when would we like to increase the bids by 20%? When performance is good. So, let's click Add. We're going to say conversions, cost per conversion. If the cost per conversion is below $100, then we want to bid up by 20%. Again, this can run daily or weekly or monthly or just once. You can set the email to only tell you if it does actually make bid changes, or you can say no emails, or only set it to send you an email if there's an error. If we hit preview, we can see which keywords we would actually change. And here we go, we can scroll through and see what changes it would make, and the CPC would change from, say $3.50 to $4.20 for this specific keyword. Now you know how this works, so you can set up several automated rules to watch your account for you, saving you time and helping you catch issues early.